5 good reasons to build a goal tree for your strategy deployment. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 good reasons for leader or senior managers to build a goal tree for strategy deployment. If you are not now familiar with this rational, logical analysis tool called goal tree, I strongly recommend that you first watch my less than 4-minute video titled Introduction to the Goal Tree for People in a Hurry and come back to this episode. You can find these 5 reasons as a blog post along with many other articles related to strategy deployment and goal trees on my English blog. The URL is in the description of this video and I am Christian Homan, your host. The 5 good reasons to build a goal tree for strategy deployment are: first, refine your goal. Second, define how to assess the progress towards the goal. List all necessary conditions to achieve your goal. 4, evaluate what necessary conditions, which are prerequisites, are not yet fulfilled. And 5, share your findings and align the contributors and actors, which means in communication and as for action plans. I will explain each of the 5 reasons, starting with the most important. Reason number 1, refine your goal. Your goal may be clear to you, but chances are that your goal is not really a carefully crafted and compelling statement. Achieving the goal is key to success, and for achieving the goal, all efforts from all stakeholders must be aligned to fulfill all necessary conditions to achieve the goal. If the goal statement lacks clarity, chances are that initiatives will go astray, will conflict among themselves, and your scarce resources will be burnt up on meaningless actions. Reason number 2, define how to assess progress towards the goal. As a leader, you have no time nor probably interest for following up all the numerous petty details of all action plans. Instead, you must look for a simple dashboard giving a sense of progress toward the goal. This is done through the critical success factors, which among other things are the last and terminal outcome just before achieving the goal. If the critical success factors are well chosen and backed up with pertinent KPI, the monitoring of the progress towards the goal is simplified. The good news is that the critical success factors should not be more than 3 or 5, which makes the check of this simple but efficient dashboard quick and easy. Reason number 3, list all necessary conditions to achieve your goal. Having the structured list of the nested and interrelated must-have conditions to achieve the goal is like the high-level work breakdown structure of the project. I emphasize must-have, which are definitely not nice-to-haves. With this work breakdown structure, everyone knows the goal and what must be achieved to achieve the goal. As a leader, you are not expected to build the goal tree yourself, but have it built by your subordinates with your high-level inputs, which are goal and critical success factors. Yet, it is advised to have some deeper insight into necessary conditions to achieve your goals than just the critical success factors. And second, know how to read a goal tree and to scrutinize one, and therefore have built or participated in the building of your goal tree. Reason number 4, evaluate what necessary conditions are not yet fulfilled. Some necessary conditions are already in place. No need to waste time on them. Resources must be focused on the not yet fulfilled necessary conditions. Therefore, it is recommended to discriminate the necessary condition status and give priority to those missing or not fulfilled, as well as to work on those which are not constantly fulfilled. I propose a 3-color code for this purpose, and you may like to watch the episode titled How Far Are You From Achieving Your Goal? How Green is Your Goal Tree? On this channel, which explains the 3-color code. Reason number 5, share your findings and align the contributors. A goal tree is several tools in one. It's a great communication tool. It shows the whole structures of the necessary conditions to achieve the goal and the status of these necessary conditions. It becomes clear to every stakeholder what must be achieved to achieve the goal, and in what order. What is not on the goal tree is by definition not necessary. That's why the goal tree, if correctly built, is impervious to nice-to-haves. And this is one reason why I love this tool so much. If you have found interest and value in this episode, give it a thumb up and share it. See you soon for another video.